How to fix mso20win32client.dll bad image error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. This built-in utility in Windows scans and repairs corrupted system files. Corrupted system files can be the cause of DLL errors, so running this utility might resolve the problem. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, some users noticed that the mso20win32client.dll bad image error was caused by the newest Windows update. If that's the case, you might be able to uninstall it, at least when not too much time has passed before the update, and resolve MS Office issues. System Restore can help revert your system settings back to a point in time when it was working fine. If the error started appearing recently, it's likely that a recent change to your system caused it.